Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of Aaron's Garage. We have something really special for you today. Today's episode is brought to you by Super Clean. And today we'll be showcasing some of the fine products. And I know what a lot of you are thinking. Oh great, he's got sponsors now. Now that's all we're going to be seeing. Well, maybe, but you know how we do things on Aaron's Garage. It's safe to say Carl's been slacking on the old hygiene. Dirty wheels, dirty interior, can't do much for his faded paint. But hey, we can do everything we can to help this guy out. Okay, we've let the wheel cleaner kind of do its thing. We don't have a hose in the garage, so we kind of just gotta put the elbow grease into it. But man, look at that hubcap. That's starting to look like new again. Now, as always, I gotta mention, don't ever do anything I do yourself, or to your car, or at home, or to anybody. You could either end up getting hurt, blowing something up, or go to jail. Oh God, he's a bit of a messy eater too. But boy, Carl just has not been brushing his teeth like he should regularly. We're going to need more than just a little wheel cleaner and a throttle body to get them bad boys shining. I think we're going to need to add a little bit of the old Tough Task Cleaner degreaser. Foaming aerosol. I can't get the lid off. And hold the camera. I think I did all right. Okay, shake it up a little bit. I mean, I think that's how it's supposed to be done. Okay, we've let the foam kind of settle down. I think we need to do something a little more drastic here. Look at that, guys. That throttle body is sparkly clean. Now, keep in mind, while Super Clean is a phenomenal cleaning product, that is not how you're supposed to properly utilize it to clean a throttle body. You should never let anything other than fresh air get consumed in your car's intake. Uh-oh, Carl. Looks like you had a little accident. Well, nothing that our floor absorbent for Super Clean can't handle. I just sprinkle a little bit of that right there. And it just kind of does the work for you. Now, keep in mind, you shouldn't allow this to get sucked in your engine either. But Carl's hungry and he wants to try it. So let's give him some. It would appear that we've developed a little bit of knock. We probably ate too much of the floor absorbent. Let's clean some of that out. Carl doesn't sound very good, but you want to know something? That's okay. Carl's a survivor. He can eat anything. He just has a little bit of belly troubles. Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed this. I had a lot of fun, and a huge shout out to my guys over at Super Clean. I enjoyed the offer to showcase your product in Aaron's garage fashion. Now keep in mind folks that Super Clean products are amazing products. I have been using them for years, and when they reached out to me, I was just blown away. So again, all of you over at Super Clean, thank you. And to all my viewers, I can't stress enough, don't do anything I do here. This was the most impractical way to utilize any of these fine products. As you know, Super Clean is one of the greatest degreasers. I use it for my floors, cleaning my wheels and tires. I use it for cleaning auto parts, especially when they're really like caked on grease, charred in there from heat and leaking for, like Carl here, for almost forever. Yeah, had a lot of fun. Thank you guys for tuning in. Until next time, see you then.